Welcome back to the Everyday Workbench. Today we are going to install some floating shelves in a kitchen on a tile wall. We bought the shelves from Ultra Shelf. We got a shelf and we also got this awesome little bracket that it's proprietary to them. So it's called a stud lock bracket. So you get the shelf and you get the bracket. It's a nice little combo. We found it very easy to use. As you can see, there are many holes on this bracket, so you can always hit a stud. We're going to use a stud finder to find the studs, and we're going to mark where the stud locations are in coordination to where we want our shelves on the tile wall. Now we do want to make some pilot holes in this tile wall, and we are going to use a specialized drill bit for this. We need a tile drill bit to make our pilot holes. We're not going all the way through the wall, we're just going through the tile. So we don't need a special hammer, drill, or anything like that. The most important thing is to make sure that you have a good quality drill bit that's suitable to go through tile. So we're going to make our pilot holes, and once we have those pilot holes made, it's as simple as holding the shelf bracket up to the wall. You will need an extra set of hands here because we found this bracket to be pretty heavy. And you line up the bracket holes with the pilot holes, and then you take a screw and just anchor the shelf bracket onto the wall. And you want to make sure that the bracket is level at this point because the new shelf just slides over this bracket. So if the bracket isn't stable and the bracket is not level, your shelf won't be stable and level. And once you get that bracket in place, it's as simple as sliding the shelf over the bracket. There are holes in the back of the shelf that coordinate with the bracket. It slides right over. It's a nice floating design, so you don't see any hardware at all. This was a very easy project. We loved working with the stud lock bracket. It was easy to use. The bracket is very durable, and the shelves look awesome. It's a beautiful addition to our kitchen. As always, thank you for watching the Everyday Workbench.